Do you want to improve your English speaking skills? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple ways to improve your English every day. Learning English is very important in today's world. Many people want to improve their English speaking skills, but they often feel nervous or shy when they try to speak. This is very normal. When we learn something new, it always feels difficult at the beginning. However, with regular practice and patience, anyone can improve their English step by step. The first and most important step to improve your English is to practice every day. Even if you practice for 10 or 15 minutes daily, it can make a big difference over time. Try to speak simple English sentences about your daily life. For example, you can say, "I wake up early in the morning." You can also say, "I drink tea and read the news." These small sentences help your brain become comfortable with English. Another good way to improve English is by listening. Listening helps you understand how words are pronounced and how sentences are formed. You can watch English videos on YouTube, listen to English podcasts, or watch English movies with subtitles. When you listen carefully, you will start to notice common words and phrases. Try to repeat those sentences aloud. This method helps you improve both pronunciation and confidence. Reading is also a powerful method to improve English. You can read simple storybooks, short articles, or even English news online. Reading helps you learn new words and understand sentence structure. When you find a new word, try to understand its meaning and use it in a sentence. For example, if you learn the word beautiful, you can say, "The weather is beautiful today." When you practice using new words, they become part of your vocabulary. Writing is another useful skill that supports English learning. You can write short paragraphs about your day. For example, you can write about what you did in the morning, what you ate for lunch, or what your plans are for tomorrow. Writing helps you organize your thoughts in English. It also helps you remember grammar and vocabulary more easily. Many learners worry too much about grammar. Grammar is important, but it should not stop you from speaking. If you wait until your grammar becomes perfect, you may never start speaking. Instead, focus on communication. Speak simple sentences first. As you continue practicing, your grammar will naturally improve. Confidence is a key factor in learning English. Some people understand English very well, but they are afraid to speak. They worry that others might laugh at their mistakes. But mistakes are a natural part of learning. Every successful learner has made many mistakes in the beginning. The important thing is to keep trying and never give up. Another helpful habit is learning new vocabulary every day. You can learn 5 new words daily and try to use them in sentences. For example, if you learn the word happy, you can say, "I feel happy today." If you learn the word learn, you can say, "I want to learn English." This small habit will gradually increase your vocabulary and make speaking easier. Speaking with friends is also a great way to improve your English. If you have friends who are also learning English, you can practice together. You can ask simple questions like, "How was your day?" or "What did you do today?" Conversations help you think faster in English and respond naturally. Another important tip is to think in English. Many learners first think in their native language and then translate their thoughts into English. This process takes time and makes speaking slow. Instead, try to think directly in English. Start with small ideas. For example, when you see a cup of tea, think, "This tea is hot." When you see the sky, think, "The sky is blue today." This habit trains your mind to use English naturally. Technology can also help you improve your English. There are many apps, websites, and online courses that provide lessons and exercises. You can also use voice recording on your phone to practice speaking. Record yourself speaking for 1 or 2 minutes and then listen to it. This helps you notice your mistakes and improve your pronunciation. Consistency is the most important part of learning English. It is better to practice a little every day than to study for many hours only once a week. Daily practice keeps your mind connected to the language and helps you improve faster. Remember, learning English is a journey. It takes time, effort, and patience, but every small step brings you closer to your goal. If you stay positive and practice regularly, you will definitely improve your English. In conclusion, improving English is possible for everyone. Practice speaking simple sentences, listen to English content, read regularly, learn new vocabulary, and never be afraid of mistakes. With dedication and confidence, you will see great progress in your English skills. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, believe in yourself. One day, you will speak English fluently and confidently.